Chris at ZR Tactical. Today we're going to talk about HK VP9 magazine base pads. I brought out a bunch of brass examples. Fits just like factory except significantly heavier. I've got one fitted in my excuse me, my VP9 SK. I'm going to show you how flat we can keep this little guy right here. This is loaded with 115 grain IMI hollow points. We also brought out the full-size VP9. This is a tactical model. Again, it's a bigger magazine, same brass base pad. Fits them all. These are 150 round Federal Syntex. If I can jelly that in there. For our third go around, I've got a VP9L. This is time we're gonna run PMC 115 grains. Again, brass magazine.